This is another skill cue for standard number 4, interpersonal communication skills. This one is all about collaboration. And our action word is collab. C, create a plan. O, keep an open mind. L's, learn from each other and let everyone lead. A, accountability. And B, be a team player. So the collab skill cues is essentially a checklist that can help bring structure to your collaborative experience. So let's look at the elements of the collab skill cues. So starting off, you want to create a plan. So let's say that you're working on a school project. So some of the things you want to make sure that happen in this step of creating a plan is you want to understand the assignment. You want to check the requirements. You want to know how you're going to be assessed. You want to then decide who's going to do what. Then you want to create a timeline, clarify responsibilities, make a shared plan for work and a shared plan for checking in and keeping each other accountable. Next up, we want to keep an open mind. When you're working with a team, there are a lot of different interests and strengths and weaknesses, and we want to keep an open mind and learn from each other so that we can all work towards our shared goal. In keeping with this idea of having an open mind, we also want to learn from each other. Everyone has different perspectives and strengths and experiences and ideas, and we want to be intentional about learning from each other because as we come together, we're going to be able to create something better together than we ever could on our own. And connected to this, we want to let everyone lead. We want to make sure that everyone feels ownership in the collaborative experience and that everyone is able to lead different parts of it. So we want to create space, not just to have one overarching leader, but in a way that allows everyone to shine. Keeping each other accountable is vital to the collaborative experience. This isn't a micromanagement situation, but it's just checking in with each other to make sure that we're all following through with what we've committed to do and we're able to ask for help and to get guidance and maybe some ideas and suggestions if we're struggling with anything. And then the last piece is to be a team player. We want everyone to be involved. We don't want one person doing all of the work. We want everyone to have a balanced participation and everyone to feel like they have a seat at the table. Collaborative experiences can be incredibly rewarding, but it does take work to ensure that your team is working well together. So check in with the elements of the collab skill cues and you'll be on your way to an incredible collaborative experience.